All right, we're going to talk about carrying and borrowing and do a cool little picture method of doing this. So we've got here an addition problem, right? 28 plus 45, and we see that we are carrying this 1, right? We have 8 plus 5, we get 13, but we can't write 13 here because that's not how our place value works. We can't have 2 digits in one place, right? So we've got 3 1s and 1 10, and then we carry the 1 and we add these together and we get 7 in the tens place. Okay, let's kind of break that down a bit. So another way to think about what I just said was we're going to do our ones first. 8 plus 5 gets me to 13. Now, remember what I said is that we would really carry that 1. Okay, that's fine. Here, we really have 20, right? That's really right. 2 in the tens place represents that I have 20. This is really 40. So this would be 20 plus 40 would get me to, what is 20 plus 40? 60. Okay, and then really we would sum these and get 73. Now, what we've done is condense that, right, with the traditional model that we use. So really what I just did is this is really just a condensed version when we carry that 1 of this kind of longer, more kind of drawn out, but there's a concept to be learned here of what's really happening, right? So there's some value there. Let's keep going with another method. I know this is kind of blurry. It's like a kind of a picture of a picture. But check this out, some student work. They're drawing it out. These are the 10s. So 27 looks like 2 sticks and 7 ones. And actually, I just happen to have some of these like 10s, right? That's a 10. And didn't even plan on doing this for this video. And the 1s, you could technically, oh boy, you could technically do this with manipulatives, right? 10s and 1s, and you could have hundreds. But these students, maybe they've seen that and they're drawing it now. So 27 looks like 2 sticks, 7 1s. 38 looks like 3 sticks, so 3 10s and 8 1s. And then we're going to see the student understanding that for every 10 1s, I will carry that over to the tens place, right? And then in the end, how many 1s after I carry that over, how many 1s do I have? If I count these little dots, I'm going to have 5. And then how many 10s do I have? I have 6. So the final answer is 65. And you can see these students doing in that same problem a little bit differently, but they're drawing a picture. Down here, we have a takeaway problem. And so they draw out 62 with 6 1s, okay, and 6 10s and 2 1s. And then they're trying to take away the 45. Well, when I try to take away the 5, I don't have enough 1s to take away, right? So I have to borrow 1. Borrow a 10, I should say. So 10 1s, and now I have 2 other ones, and so I'm going to take away 5. So the student crosses out 5, okay, and now over here, well, what's left over should be your answer, and there are 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Over here, we took away that 1, so that's gone. It's a 10, really. And here, I have 5 to take away, or I'm sorry, I have 5 sticks there, right? And I have 4 to take away, so you see the student cross out 4, and there's 1 left that isn't crossed off, and that's where the student is getting it. So let's actually do some examples. Let's actually try to draw, okay? We are going to try to do it ourselves. All right, here we go. 36, I'm going to draw. 1, 2, 3 are my 10s. 6, I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great. And then 27, 2 10s, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can draw it any way you want. We are adding this. Okay, we're going to start by adding our 1s. And we need to know the rule that if I have 10 of these 1s, I can't, in this 1's place value, I can't have 2 digits. So if I get 10, I have to bring it over. So 6, and then plus 4 more, I can count them all out. This is going to be 10. right here. We're going to bring it over. Now I have one more 10 over here. And what's left over here? I have 3. All right. How many 10s do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 63. All right. So that's another way of doing this whole carrying with drawing some pictures. Maybe it's helpful for some young students. All right. How about 1, 2, 3, 4? Now this is takeaway. 4 10s, 3 1s, 1, 2, 3. And I would like to take away, and I'm trying to take away 18, so I'm going to try to take away 8 first. But I don't have 8 to take away. Therefore, I need to borrow 10, and I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now I have 13 here, so now I can take away the 8. So I'm taking away 8. I mean, students can write it or know it in their head or whatever they need to do. I'm a little blurry over there. So if I'm taking away, how do I signify this, right? I'm going to cross them out. So I'm going to go take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, what's left here? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. 5 for my 1's place, right? Now this one's gone. And now what am I doing here? I'm taking away, take away 1. Because remember, we took away 8 because that was the 1s. Now we have 1 10 to take away. So take away another one, and it's gone. And I'm going to be left with 2. So I'm going to have 25 for my final answer. So it's just another way for students who are young to perhaps, maybe it works better in their head when they draw it out. It's just another method. Alrighty, so thank you.